Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're catching up with Gypsy Rose Blanchard, the woman whose story of abuse, murder, and twisted identity captured the world's attention. After years in prison and now released, many ask, where is Gypsy Rose now? Let's break it all down. Gypsy Rose Blanchard grew up believing she was severely ill, wheelchair-bound, fed through a tube, undergoing multiple medical procedures. In reality, she was a victim of her mother's abuse, a suspected case of Munchausen syndrome by proxy. In June 2015, when her mother, Dee Dee Blanchard, was murdered, Gypsy and her then-boyfriend were charged in the case. Gypsy pleaded guilty to second-degree murder and was sentenced to 10 years in prison. While behind bars at the Chillicothe Correctional Center in Missouri, Gypsy served about 8 years, earning early release for good behavior. During her incarceration, the case inspired the Hulu series The Act and generated worldwide fascination. She confronted the truth of her past, and over time, public opinion shifted. Many began to see her not only as a criminal, but also as a victim of unimaginable psychological abuse. Where is Gypsy Rose now? As of now, Gypsy Rose was released on parole on the 28th of December, 2023. She moved back to Louisiana, her birth state, and began rebuilding her life. In 2024, she filed for divorce from her husband, whom she married while in prison. Later that same year, she welcomed her first child, a daughter named Aurora. Now, she's focused on motherhood, personal healing, and maintaining a low profile. Gypsy deleted her major social media accounts in early 2024, saying she wanted to live a more private life, free from the overwhelming media attention. She's also the focus of the docuseries Gypsy Rose, Life After Lockup, which follows her journey of adjusting to freedom and family life. Gypsy Rose's story is one of shocking extremes, from long-term abuse to orchestrated murder, from prison to parenthood. Now free, she's choosing a life of peace and quiet rebuilding, keeping her circle small and her priorities close to home. Wherever her next chapter leads, one thing's for sure, Gypsy Rose Blanchard is no longer just a headline. She's a woman reclaiming her story, her freedom, and her future.